chicken, Baba. Yay. She's eating chicken. Alhamdulillah. See? I made her a boiled chicken. Oh, dali. Wow, yummy. Yummy, yummy. See? Come on. Come on, Baba. Shh. Coco. Coco, come on, baby. Coco. Come on, Coco. Hey. Shh. Eat na. Dali, oh. That's Buddy. That's Buddy, oh. Eat your chicken. Dali. Come on. I know. Oh, take from me. Come on. Oops. You don't like na? Okay. She finished. Oh, don't go. Shh. Don't go down. Buddy is there. Don't go. Yes. You miss me, baby? Hmm? Wait, I will remove this one because we will remove this. We'll give this to other cat. And we will clean this because ants will come. Alright? Finish na? Happy, happy? Yummers. Okay. That's it. See? Okay. Relaxing. She's here because it's the AC is here close to her. See? She wants to have a cooling.